to the bus that's gonna take you back to the hours above. That's gonna make you stop going or up the dog. Get onto the bus that's gonna take you back to the hours above. Here comes the lust and fame, push you down and marry it on. So sweet, my mouth was. Signal got lost through the satellite, got lost in the right up to the plunge down. Man sends a ray of the electric light, sends the impulse through the air, down to home. And you can stand on the arms of the Williamsburg Bridge crying, hey man, well this is Babylon. You rise off the bed and I'll be there to get you leave. Gotta keep it warm. Ain't no woman was a throne with a broken arm. But then you gotta go. Get into the battle so the mix might flow. I hate to do it, but I did it though. I'm gonna find into the body like a whiskey snow. I got a zooms up car and what's it called? Tripping on the boom, that metapological. I ride the fatal and I ride it low. I'm only slipping till you feel like I'm solo. And you don't use words like that. St. Louis is listening. To meet you at the station. Oh, he's like milk to you, half Swedish and half Asian. The North Asian end up reeling and stumbling. Use words like that. St. Louis is listening. I end up reeling and stumbling. Collapse and bump around the bar. Use words like that. St. Louis is listening. You don't use words like that. St. Louis is listening. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, around in circles, walk around. Too fast, you Move up and let the man go. Let the man go through. Move up the side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up the side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up the side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up the side and let the man go through. Let the man go through.